Here's a little magic trick you can do in my Java extension JavaX. Suppose you have a function like the Ackermann function, which looks simple but is deviously recursive, and for large input values will compute almost indefinitely. Now suppose you want to freeze this computation and resume it at a later point. In JavaX this is pretty easy now. We transform the function into an object where all the input parameters turn into fields, and it implements a very simple interface. In this main function it will perform one step at a time. Either it ends with tail call, which is one of these invocations, or it calls push, which means it calls a subroutine, or it just returns a value. Then there is this vstack class that magically runs this all over again until the result is computed. And as you can see here, the result is 7 as expected. And the magic comes when you call the structure function. The structure function takes an object, in this case the whole stack, and turns it into a string, like this. So here you see every step of the computation rendered as a string. You can see the functions that are in flight, and you can see the last result that was returned, which is held temporarily. In the end, the stack will be empty and the result is returned. And to prove that this hibernation actually works, in each step we convert the stack to a string and convert it from the string back to an object. So in this one line, we throw away all data and recreate it from the string we just printed. You can store the string on disk and you can resume it at any point, meaning your computation is interruptible, resumable, and persistent.